In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Tinkercad quickly and easily. This is a really useful tip if you want to work in your preferred language, make the interface easier to understand, or help someone else use Tinkercad more comfortably. The best part is, it only takes a few seconds, and you don't need to install anything or change complicated settings. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to the Tinkercad homepage in your browser. Once the site loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll want to look at the footer area, since that's where Tinkercad keeps the language option. Depending on your screen size and browser, the language dropdown may appear on the bottom right or sometimes on the bottom left, so take a quick look across the footer until you spot it. When you find the language dropdown menu, click on it to open the list of available languages. You should see several different options, so choose the one you want to use. Just click your preferred language and Tinkercad will automatically refresh the website and the editor in that language. There's no need to save anything manually. Once the page reloads, the entire interface should now display in the language you selected. And that's all there is to it. You've now changed the Tinkercad language and can continue designing in the version that feels most comfortable for you. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.